Good night everyone. Nice to meet you for the next video. Now please go to the present simple and I would like you to share about the positive form. Positive form you have to remember or rewrite in your writing book about the form. If you want to make the positive form, you have to note about the form first. So please note all together. The positive form of present simple is subject plus verb 1. Verb 1 here is the present tense. Now I would like to share you some example related to the positive form of present simple. First, positive form. Example. I always get up at 5 a.m. So I is subject and verb 1 is get. Get we call verb 1 or present tense. Verb present. I always get up at 5 a.m. So I is subject. Get is verb 1. Verb 1. We call present tense. Now I would like to share you one example. Cambodian people always welcome King Norodom Sihamoni warmly. Here is the positive sentence, or we can positive form. Where is subject? Subject is Cambodian people. And verb 1 plus verb 1. Verb 1 is welcome. Welcome is a verb 1, or we can say present tense, verb present. I would like to share you another one example. Marie want to play tennis with you. Marie want to play tennis with you. Here's the positive sentence, or we can say positive form. Positive form, you remember subject plus verb 1. And where is subject? Subject is Marie. Marie is the subject. Verb 1 is once. One is verb 1, or we can say present. I would like to share you another example. Her brother is absent today. Her brother is absent today. So you have to remember positive form, subject plus verb 1. So her brother is absent today. He is the positive form. And where's the subject? Her brother. Her brother is subject. And here, what is the verb 1? Verb 1 is. Is we call verb 1. I would like to share you another example. Your parents are active in the family. Your parents are active in the family. We call positive sentence. And we can know where is the positive form and which one is subject and which one is verb 1. Your parents are active in the family. Your parent is subject and we call verb 1. Move to another example. Life is a constant struggle. Life is a constant struggle. Here we call positive sentence. And you can make note positive form. You have to remember again, subject plus verb 1. And which one is subject? Life we call subject. Is a verb 1 or present tense. Another example, I can help you. Please believe me. I can help you one sentence, or we can say positive sentence. Please believe me, also positive sentence. I can help you. Which one is subject? I. Which one is verb 1? Can. I can help you. Move to another example. Nurse take care of patient in hospital. Nurse take care of patient in hospital. Here we call positive sentence. And you have to remember positive form. Positive form, subject plus verb 1. Here, nurse is the subject. Take is verb 1. Move to another example. My student usually pay attention to a special English program. So we call positive sentence, and we have to note positive form. Positive form, my student is subject, pay is verb 1. Move to another example. The earth goes around the sun. So it's a positive sentence, and we have the positive form, and we have to note the earth is a subject, goes is verb 1. Move to another example. I am a government official, a researcher, and an English lecturer. So this is the positive sentence, and you have to make note the positive form. Positive form, you have to remember subject plus verb 1. And which one is subject? I. Verb 1 is am. Move to another example. We are very happy because we can reach our destination. So we call positive sentence, and we have to note positive form. Where's the positive form? We is a subject, and which one is verb 1? I. Move to another example. The report does note that the government has made progress in recent years to increase the amount of taxes it closes. So, where's the, here we call positive sentence, and where's the positive form? We have the report. Report is subject. You have to remember subject plus verb 1 plus 1 is does. So you have to does on and note is a verb 1. So I hope after you listen to my example, and I think you really remember what is the positive form of present simple. Subject plus verb 1. Verb 1 is the present verb. Like example for you, I always get up at 5 a.m. So here we call positive sentence, or we can note the positive form. I is subject, get is verb 1. I hope you listen to this video. You can understand or remember the positive form of present simple, subject plus verb 1, and you can use in your daily speaking with another people. Like you say, I always get up at 5 a.m. We call the present simple or the present simple tense. Now, please subscribe my video and share to your friend, or you can share to the people to understand about the present simple and the first form, the positive form, or we can say the positive sentence. I hope you can remember subject plus verb 1. We call the positive form of the present simple. Wait for the next video. Thank you for your support.